So in this video we are going to solve the question in the just recently written past WASSCE 2023 question 10, and the question is that a cupboard contains three kinds of notebooks R, S, and T. The number of book R is 3 more than half of book T. The number of X is 1/3 the number of book T. I say Roman number 1, if there are 25 books in the cupboard, find the number of each kind of book. Roman number 2, that if a book is picked at random from the cupboard, what is the probability that it is S or T? So to solve this, first of all, we need to identify the central quantity in the three kinds of book. And if you look at the question, you realize that the central quantity of the three books is book T. So first of all, get a variable to represent book T. So solution for question 10a. So solution, let the number of book T be equal to, let's say, X, because the book T is the central quantity here. In other words, all the other books depend on book T, the number of book T. And so if the number of book T is X, then it means that we said the number of book R is 3 more than half of book T. So book R, it means our book R will be is 3 more. So 3 more means 3 plus half of means half of times book T, which is X. Half of book T. 3 more than half of book T, which is half times T. That's X times the number of X. So if we simplify this, we have 3 plus X times half, we have X divided by 2. And this will give us 2 times 3, 6 plus X divided by 2. So the number of book R is 6 plus X divided by 2. Now they went on and said that the question continues and said that the number of X is 1/3 the number of T. Number of X is 1/3. 1/3 means 1 out of 3 of book T, which is X. And so this will give us, so 1/3, so multiply that by X. So X times this will give us X divided by 3. So, and the question continues. Roman number 1, if there are 25 books in the cupboard, find the number of each kind of book. So what it means is that if we add all the number of 3 books, it should be equal to 25. And so Roman number 1, if we add, so book T, which is X, plus book R, which is 6 plus X divided by 2, plus book S, which is X divided by 3, should be equal to 25 in the cupboard. And so simplify this by multiplying through by the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So multiply each time by 6. So you have 6 times X plus 6 times 6 plus X divided by 2 plus 6 times X divided by 3 is equal to 6 times 25. So having done that, then we will simplify further. 6 times X will give us 6X plus 2 into itself here, 1, 2 into 6, 3. So we don't pick the 3 and multiply by the what is left in the bracket here. So 3 times 6 will give us 18 plus 3 times X will give us 3X plus 6 times, so here 3 into itself 1, 3 into 6, 2. So 2 times x will give us 2x is equal to 6 times 25. That will be 150. 150. Now we add the common terms. So 6x plus 3x will give us 9x. 9x plus 2x will give us 11x. We have 11x plus 18 is equal to 150. So here we group our like terms. We have 11x is equal to 150 minus 18. So we simplify further. We have 11x is equal to 150 minus 18. 150 minus 18 here will give you 132. So this will be 11x is equal to 132. So at this point we divide both sides by 11. Divide both sides by 11. We will cancel 11. So divide both sides by 11. So 132 divided by 11. This will give you 12. So therefore, our book T, which we have represented with the variable x, is equal to 12 books. So our book T are 12. Then our book R, which is this, 6x, 6 plus x divided by 2. So 6 plus 12 will give us 18. So it will be 18 divided by 2, and that will be what? 9 books. And our book X, which is 1/3 of book T, will be 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4 books. And so each kind of books, book T is 12, book R is 9, and book S is 4. Then Roman number 2, the question continues and say that if a book is picked at random from the cardboard, thou should find the probability that the book picked is T or S, or S or T. So probability of the book that is picked from the cardboard being S, or means union. Probability of the book being picked being T should be equal to. We learned that union in probability stands for addition. So probability of the book being S plus probability of the book being T. So probability of the book being S. So this will be probability of S plus probability of T. So solving this, we don't have probability of S is the number of book S divided by the total number of books in the cardboard. So number of book S is 4. So 4 divided by the total number of books in the cardboard, they said, is 25. Plus probability of book T means the number of book T, which is 12, divided by the total books in the cardboard, which is 25. So simplifying this, because we have the same denominators, we just add the numerators. So 4 plus 12 will give us 16 divided by 25. So the probability of the book picked from the cardboard being book X or book T is 16 divided by 25. So that's how this question is solved. So please, if you enjoy the lesson, please subscribe, like, and share for more interesting videos on this platform. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.